Alright, number 29. I'm going to do a problem and then give you a couple to practice on. Find the roots of the function, so I'm finding the x-intercepts, and label these roots and the y-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, you know that what is happening every single time? 0 is y. So plug 0 in for y and solve. Well, to solve an equation with an x squared and an x in, I have to factor. And this is an easy factoring one because it has a 1 in front of it. Two numbers multiply together to be 32 and add together to be negative 12. So they're both going to be negative. One's an 8 and one's a 4. So now, zero product property tells me one of these guys has got to be 0. So if this one's 0, then x has to be 4. X equals 4. For this one to be 0, then x has to equal 8. Oops, I wrote x though. 8. So that means this is 4, 0, and this guy is 8, 0. And I know it's a right side up parabola because it's a positive x squared. See, there's a positive in front of that x squared. Okay. And then how do I find the y-intercept? I know x is 0 every single time. Plug in 0, 0, and I get 32 for my y. Okay. And then just go in reverse. You just look at it and you go, oh, that's 2, 0. So I must, see how that was 4, 0? And this is x minus 4. It's 8, 0, and that's x minus 8. So this must be x minus 2. I know this point is at negative 3, 0. So this guy's got to be x plus 3. And then rewrite it this way. You just multiply it out. Multiply those, x squared. Multiply that one, 3x. And a negative 2x is a positive x. And that's a negative 6. Alrighty. Now I'm going to give you a couple more. There's this one. Hit pause. And then do it on a piece of paper. And then we'll come back and check it. So you hit pause. And we're back. Factored. Found the intercepts. Labeled them. Plugged in 0 to find the y-intercept. Boom. At positive 1, that's why it's x minus 1. Positive 4, that's x minus 4. Just multiply those together and get that guy. Alright, here's another example. And hit pause, and we're back. And don't forget to bring this one in on the retest day, and you can retake the test.